So guys, quick update lang tayo visa bulletin for March 2026. So already posted in the website. So nandyan na yan, available na yan. So good news to all AB3 third preference employment based category. So for the Philippines, the final action date is August 1, 2023. So nag-move forward yan ng 2 months from June. Ngayon ay August 1, 2023. So yung mga August dyan, sa August 1 priority date, so current na kayo. At the same time, nag-move forward din ng 4 months yung Mexico at saka yung rest of the world. So alam naman natin dito sa rest of the world, merong affected countries dito. Yung temporarily nakaban sila ngayon. So for those hindi affected dun sa listed na 75 countries, congratulations. So there is a 4 months moving forward doon sa new final action date, which is October 1, 2023. So this is a positive sign. Lalo pang maganda ang mga movement nito. So once again, this is a quick update for March 2026 visa bulletin. Available na siya sa website. And good news dun sa AB3 third preference. At the same time, dun din sa AB3 other workers. So nag-move forward din yan. 2 months din ang minove dyan, especially dun sa Philippines sa category din. So gagawa tayo ng full video dito. So quick update lang to for March 2026 visa bulletin. So congratulations. So marami ng current ang mga priority date ngayon. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe with my channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.